What are you doing as a work?
Okay, I'm sewing wig.
What do you mean by you're schooling quick?
Like sewing.
Okay, sewing hair. You are a hair sewing.
Yes, I'm a hairstylist.
You are a head what?
Stylist.
You are a head sewing or say stylist? What do you mean by style?
Style the hair.
Okay.
Ventilate the closure. Like yeah.
What do you mean by you never ventilate your closure?
Closure. Yeah, na the front.
What is that? Closure.
Like frontal.
What do you mean by flosser?
Net. Like on a dick a net and a wig.
Okay, wig.
Yes, wig making.
Who is this lady?
I don't know.
I'm talking, he say closer. He say net. He say women. You are the manufacturer.
Babylon manufacturer.
You say you are the styler. You are the one making the hair.
Yes.
Eh? That's what I say.
Yes, it's can style a log fine. I can style.
On your chokwa ki megin. How about this person? Onya the all the call their call no na mafia keta. E chokwa ke o de ka customer ko na agbado. E chokwa ke onya chokwa ki megin. I don't understand people.
Imagine.
Are you sure you are sick?
Yes.
Eh? Also me chokwa ke onya cho. I said, what is your occupation?
Exactly.
Also me chokwa ke kwa. Are you talking to me? Am I style hair? So you can do every hair.
Yes.
That is jack of all trades. Eh?